Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. Today we want to do something different. We want to change the view of our Power BI so we can have an interactive picture slide dashboard. So in case you still have the old view, just come over to options and setting and go to options. Let's wait for it to come up. While you're here, click on preview features. Check your on object interaction. Check your new card visual. Check the button slicer visual and also the visual calculations. After that, go to report setting and make sure you check your visual option. Once you're done, you click on OK and restart your Power BI. That's the only way the views are going to be activated. So let's get right into what we want to do today. Let's go to get data to bring in our data, and it's an Excel workbook. Let's search for it, and we have it here, team sales. Click on it and open. Next, we're going to take it into the Power Query editor. We want to insert month name and month number. So let's click on this and click on transform data. Okay, while we're here, let's do this. Let's pause. Let's change this one written month to date. And from here, click on your date, go to add column. On the date drop down, we're going to select month and select name of month. Next, we're going to do it again and go down to the date drop down, select month and select month. Okay, let's see what we have. We have the month name and we have the month number. So we're going to rename this to month number. And for the month name, we want to abbreviate this. So what do? Click on month, go to transform, come to extract. We're going to extract the first characters. And how many number do we want to extract or keep? We want just 3. And we click on OK. Okay, next let's check our data type. For profit, this is money. So it's going to be in fixed decimal number or currency. But for Power BI, it's always written as fixed decimal number. For sales also, we click on fixed decimal number. And if the other thing is looking good, we're good to go. So let's go back to home, close and apply. And it takes us back to where? The Power BI environment. So let's start building our dashboard. Okay. So we have this here. First and first, let's build our dashboard background. Click on Format, go to Canvas Background. I will want to use this color, white 60% darker. Go to Transparency and change this to 9%. Okay, so we don't need this any longer. We don't need this and we don't need this. Let's click on text box and this will come right through. So let's just format our text box. Put on your title, click on the drop down. I want to write sales performance analysis. So let's do that. Okay, so let's use our font type. Let's just use Comic Sans. Let's change the size to 32. Let's make it bold. And let's come to our font color. Go to more colors. I will want to use this color. 76362. Okay. And also, we are going to align to the center. Come down. Go to size and style. Come downwards. On your visual border, on shadow. And on the visual border, we don't want black accent, we want this. Okay, so let's expand this here. Oh, performance, let's make that correction. Okay, so let's continue. So next, we want to bring in our button slicer and button, sorry, card, or the new card visual. Click on this and this will come through. Click on data and we are going to add sales and profits. As you can see, it's already made a summation of this. So we want to edit this to total sales. And we want to edit this to total profit. Okay, next, we don't want this figures here, so we're going to do this. Click on data, click on sales, change also to 0. Okay, let's wait for it to come through. Click on profit, change also to 0. Next, let's deal with the size of this. So let's go down to call out visual, call out value, sorry. Click on call out values and scroll right down. We want this at Comic Sans. We want to change this to 28. We want it bold and the color, we want it this way. Okay, so we're still going to go down. We want to add on our visual border, and our visual border color, we want it at this. Okay, let's go to style and come down here. Okay, we're good to go like this. Let's just make do with what we have, so we don't take too much time formatting just one. So let's adjust it to fit into right there. Okay, we still need to make some adjustments. Just a little bit more. Okay, I think it's good this way. And let's put it right here. Take it down. Better still, use this. Okay. And we're going to do this just a bit. Okay. I want it to be closely knitted. So let's make this to be on the same line. Okay, so we're good to go here. So next we're going to bring in our new slicer. So click right here, come right down here and pick on the slicer here. Fit it into this place. Okay, so let's add the name to this. Click on name and we have it like this. Next, let's bring in the format and go to the layout. On our layout, we are going to go down to this, change the max shown column to 2, change the column shown to 2 also. So we have it like this. Next, let's go right down to call out value. Scroll down again. Let's make this to Comic Sans. Let's leave it at 14. Let's use 14. Let's make it bold. Let's change the color to this. You're good to go here. Let's move on to the next. Come right down here. On your labels, click on the arrow drop down, add this thing and add the email. So you're good to go like this. We can also decide to format email. You can make it bold, we'll leave it at that side and just change the color to this. Okay, so next let's bring in our charts. We want to bring in a line and column clustered column charts. So let's fit it here. Let's take half of the screen. For our x-axis, we are going to add the month name. For our column y-axis, we are going to add the profit. And for our line y-axis, we are going to add sales. So we have it like this. So let's format. For the title, let's add our title. We want this to be total sales and profits by month. Comic Sans. Leave it at 14. Make it bold. Bring in a text color. This. Okay, let's go down. Let's align it to the center. For our columns, click on columns. Come down. We want to change this to this. Okay, so go down to our line. We have our line here. I'm sorry, go down to interpolation. I want to make it smooth. Next, let's come to the color. So let's write a color code for this. Go to more color and let's use 2A3132. Okay, so we're good for this. Let's add our data labels. And let's also give our data labels some good colors. So for the values here, let's make it bold. And let's change the color to also this. Okay. Then let's go to our y-axis and our x-axis. Our x-axis, we want to put up the title, and for the month name we want to give it some color, so let's go down a bit here. Okay, so we are going to change this to what we're using, and that is Comic Sans. Let's make it 10. Let's make it, okay, let's leave it at 9, please. Let's make it bold, and let's change the color to this. Okay, and for our y-axis, put off the values here, put off the values, come down, put off the title. For our legend, we're going to put off the title of our legend, off the title. Then also, let's go to text. Let's just change the color to this also. Okay, now we see our month is March, April, May. So we want to do something about this. So go to your table view and click on month name. Now we are going to sort by the month number. Okay, now let's go and refresh. And let's go back to our report view. Click on the small option, sort as is, sort by month name. In case it doesn't act up, do that again, sort as it and sort ascending. And we have January, February, March, April, May, and the rest of them. Next, let's bring in donut charts. And our legend here, we're going to add our name. On values, we're going to add sales. Okay, let's format this. Let's format. So our title is going to be sales by sales agents. Let's change to comics, and is okay, make it bold. And we're going to add color to it. Okay, so let's go down on our legend. Okay, let's take care of our legend, then we'll come to slices. So we want our legend bold. We're okay with it, and just let's use this. You can make it, just make it 7, so it doesn't take too much of the space. And let's come right here to the slices. For Mary, we're going to use this color. For Maker, we're going to use this. Then for Adebayo, let's go to more color and let's input a code. For Adebayo, we are going to use color 336 B87. Okay, now for editing, more colors. For 18, we're going to use 69 3D 3D. Okay, done with that. So detail labels. Let's format our detail labels. Come to values here. Let's make it bold. Let's leave it at that, and let's change the color to this. Okay, we're good to go here. So let's just adjust this a bit. Control C, Control V. We have another one, and let's fix it in. Oh, it's too big. So let's still adjust. Okay, I think we should adjust this a bit too. Let's adjust this. Okay, so we're going to do this also. Control Z. See something. Let's just stick with what we have so we don't waste too much time doing the adjustment. So let's adjust this. And we want to make this a bit little, so any other one will come. So Control C, Control V, and let's place this here. Okay, at least the space is good enough now. So let's do this. Let's take this up a bit and for this, and let's touch this also, and this. Okay, so let's do this. Now let's make this title. We have it at 14, so let's take it to 12. Okay, it's okay this way. What do we do next to this? Now we want this to be sales by sales agent, profit by sales agent. So click on this, come here, and we are going to remove sales from here, and we are going to add profit. Okay, so that's just the trick we do with that. So we're going to change the title of this now, and it's going to be profit by sales agent. And let's make this 12. Okay, our chart is looking good. Now let's come to this place. Instead of having name here, let's have sales agent, because we're going to put their pictures there. Let's make it bold. Comic Sans. I think it's okay at 14. So let's make this color. And let's centralize it. Let's put it to the center. So go to the alignment and click on center. Okay. Next, let's bring in our pictures here. We want to put in pictures here, pictures of the sales agent. How do we do that? Okay, so let's go to get data and go to more. Click on folder and click on connect. Now we need to identify the folder. So let's browse it and go to documents. It's image 1 and we are going to click on OK. Click on OK. And this will pop up. So let's click on transform data. Right here, first thing we are going to do, we need to change this from text to binary. So come to transform. On binary, select text. So next, we need to add the base 64 prefix. So go to add column and go to custom column. And we are going to rename this to base 64. Okay, so let's just paste the prefix down here. I'll put it in the comment section for us to see and click on OK. Okay, so just go to Home and close and apply. It takes us back to where our Power Query editor. Okay, so right here now, let's go to our model view. We need to connect the table, create a relationship between image 1 and sales. To do that, the name column on the image is related, has a relationship with the image on what the sales. We can see Adebayo, JGB, and so vital. So click on save. Okay, since the relationship has been established, go to your table view next. Click on sales. On your sales table, please. Go to new column. We want to create a related function. So our new column name should be B64. So equals to related. And we want to relate image base 64. Use your tab key and close your brackets. Enter. So after this now, click on image URL, data category, image URL. And we have this. Okay, we're good to go. So let's go to our report view. On your button slicer, let's click on format. And let's go down to where we have image. Scroll down. On add data, we're going to add the base 64 on the sales table. Ta-da! We have our pictures looking pretty over there. So what next to do? Let's try and make our picture fit. So let's come down to image. So let's pick fit. We can see, even if they are looking fatter than usual, but at least we can see their faces. Next, what is a dashboard without my name? So let's add our names here. Come to title, and I'm going to write my name. Make it bold. Comic Sans MS. Text color should be this. Let's make it a bit smaller. And put it right here. Okay, so let's look at what we've done. Let's click on Mary. And this is Mary. She made a total sales of $168,000 and a total profit of $44. And this is our sales for the month. Profit and sales. When you click on Earthing, it made a total of $159,000 and a profit of $39,000. So go through the dashboard. What insight can you get?